Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Stay at your home, stay safe. So today I am giving you second lecture of unit number 1, structure of living organism. In our previous lecture we was discussed about the structure of flowering plant. Now we discuss the vegetative part of plant and the stem, characteristic of stem and structure of stem. Vegetative part of plant. The stem, root and leaf are the vegetative part of a plant. They form main body of plant. In plant there are two systems. Number 1 is root system and number 2 is shoot system. The root system is underground in which root is present. Number 2 is shoot system above the ground in which stem, leaf, fruit, bud are present. Okay, now we discuss about the stem. What is a stem? The stem grow above the ground which bears leaves, bud, flowers and fruits. Some modify stem like potato and ginger. They are grow underground and store food. They also have nodes, bud and internodes. Some modified roots like potato, they are also a stem. They are not a root but they are a modified stem. So they store their food and they also carry all structure which having the stem. Now we discuss about the characteristic of stem. There are different type and different characters of stem. Stem are usually erect, upright and straight like a rose plant, jasmine plant and etc. Some stem grow horizontally along the ground like strawberry plant, watermelon plant, etc. Some stem are thin, weak like climbing plant. Some stem are thick and fleshy, for example onion bulb. Okay, now we are discussing about the structure of stem. Stem is divided into into three parts: node, bud and internode. Now what is node? Node is the soiling area where leaf and bud grow. Now what is internode? The space between two nodes is called internode. And bud contain tissues that can produce new stem and leaf. Some stem contain two types of bud, terminal bud and axillary bud. The terminal bud is present at the tip of the stem, which increase in the length of stem. And axillary bud is a small bud which grow on the axil. Now what is the axil? Axil is the junction of the stem where new branches and flowers grow. In young stem are green, they contain chlorophyll and also have stomata for the exchange of gases. Now what is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is the green pigment that used for the absorption of light to produce energy at the time of photosynthesis. Thank you.